Namaskaram. Welcome all of you to a new YouTube channel, NRITHAM, Dance for Everyone. In this channel, I am here to teach you Bharathanatyam, the oldest dance form from India. Now, any art form, especially a classical art form, is best learned from a life guru. That is, you go to that place, take the blessings from the guru, and to learn from there. But in this digital era, there is also another possibility. That is, if you are in a place where that kind of teaching is not available there, suppose you are Indian and you are somewhere else and you cannot come to learn in a place where they teach you the ancient form of Bharathanatyam. So this channel is for those kind of people. Now the first thing that will come to your mind is what's new? There are thousands of channels on dance, teaching dance and performance and lot of performance. So what's new? You know, the I cannot promise you that what I'm going to offer is new for you, but I have decided to make this channel from my experience. When I was learning dance, in my early stages, I used to search a lot on YouTube and Google for a practice kind of channel. That is, it's easy to know the steps, but how to practice. There weren't any channels, or there were no possibility for me to practice. And as you all know, that 99% of us, maybe 99.9% of us are generally lazy. Like we want to do it, but there's this motivation, there's not enough motivation to get up and actually do it, sweat it out. So what I'm going to offer you is that I will make you practice. Like if you have been exposed to any kind of dance lessons, you will know that when you go there, the teacher will make you practice. Like you have to stand there until the teacher tells you to stop. So I'm going to offer you that kind of teaching. Like you will learn the steps, along with that I will give you the practice. Moreover, if you are not if you want to go further, like if you want to do any diploma courses, or you're actually interested in doing any course further on dance, you could just contact me in the email address that's given in the channel, and I could give you private lessons where I will teach you other lessons apart from just practice, like theory. There's a lot of theory to learn, and also lessons on tala and various other aspects, so that wherever you are, if it's available to you, you could actually you know um, pass out a diploma course, or you could go further in any degree course. Along with that, I would give you personal lessons on just choreography. That is, you don't want to learn the classical art, but you just want a song choreographed, to perform in any function, or it's just a short-term thing. For that also, you could contact me in this email address. So the classes will be one class per week, every day at the same time. And as you already know, if you want more classes, if you want to go further in this, you could always contact me personally. So that's about now. In our next section, I would be giving a very short introduction on Bharatanatyam. Is one of the 8 classical dances of India. Its history and its various streams. Thank you. So to conclude, if you want to contact me for private lessons, you can contact me in my email ID. Or if you just want to follow the videos and learn this wonderful art, please do like and subscribe and press on the bell icon so that you will be notified every time a new video comes out.